Are you happy?
He just drooled on me.
Are you happy?
Well, I love it down here.
Goodies for his hotel stay. Hi, happy boy. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my channel. I am Julia. I'm a Buffalo-based content creator and I love making videos about lifestyle, fashion, hauls, owning your own business, travel, and today we have a fun little travel-ish vlog for you guys. Matt and I, as I was saying, when the camera died, I am at the lake house with Matt and Goody and my dad. Come here, honey. Let's let the light focus. Hi, Goody, come here. We are at the lake house. The sun is literally coming right through our window right now, so the lighting is so nice. It is a Sunday. It is
What's the date?
September 28th. No, September 29th, and we are here for a 2-night stay with my dad. We are staying in the north cottage at the lake house. My dad is staying at the main cottage at the lake house. We are staying in the dog-friendly part of the lake house. So the lake house is a dog-friendly hotel. They charge $100 as a flat fee to bring your dog to the hotel, and then they charge $50 a night. So it is an extra $200 for us to have Gouda here with us, but my dad is generously gifting us this stay at the lake house with him. He's so generous to treat us to this, and the timing could not be better, because as a little peel the curtain back to let you guys know, I had a crap Friday. So it's Sunday, but on Friday I found out that as a result of a very minor fender bender that I got into, my car insurance deemed my car a total loss, so I now need to get a new car. So another thing that you guys can look forward to is me bringing you guys along on the new car search, because I'm in the market now.
For a new Subaru. Not sure whether I'm gonna go with an Outback or a Crosstrek.
Outback or Crosstrek, we need to see what I'm feeling.
But
we're here at the lake house and I figured I would show you guys the room. We're in a room with 2 queen beds, and because we're in the dog-friendly room, look at how sweet. There's a dog bed
for Gouda.
There are 2 bowls, so we've got him water and his breakfast. And they gave us this little bag which had a little cookie in it and some dog bags, which is so nice. So I think I'll take
him
out for a little stroll around the place in a minute, but let me show you. Ooh, are you making a little espresso? What are you making?
A little espresso.
Ooh, Matt's making a little espresso. The room is so nice. This is the bathroom. Look at the big shower, sink, toilet. So yeah, here for 2 nights. I'm so happy to bring you guys along for a little stay at the lake house in Canandaigua. Well, we are in the car. We are going to head to Wegmans to go get some snacks. I'll let you know what we get.
Then I got 2 things of Tate's.
Ooh.
Gluten-free, and then the regular chocolate chip gluten-free. The 6-pack of Snapple for your dad. Plus I got some sparkling water for myself. What else did I get? Did I get anything else?
Matt got me some sushi. You got all the things, all the snacks. You got yourself though a snack to hold you over until dinner?
Yeah, this caffeine.
This?
Yeah.
That's the snack?
Well.
Okay, we're gonna chat about snacks, but Matt got us some snacks. I'll show you.
I got a carrot juice, but.
Okay, I need to talk to my husband about the delusion of what's going on here, because we came here to get food and it seems like he only got me food and a bunch of beverages for himself. But we'll be back at the lake house in just a few minutes. We're back from Wegmans in the room, and this is our little haul. Matt got Harvest Snaps, these everything thin pretzels, some hummus, juice, Snapples for my dad, sparkling waters for Matt, 2 different flavors of Tate's gluten-free cookies, and then he got these undercover. You guys, I'm obsessed
with these undercover
snacks, and he got a dark chocolate and cherry flavor, which I'm very excited to try. So we got 2 of those, and then the classic dark chocolate sea salt. And they also make a pumpkin flavor. I don't know if they were there, but they are so good. So good. Really so yeah, we're back in the room, gonna hang out for a little bit before we have dinner. I am hanging on the bed. We had a really good dinner at the Rose Tavern. We got a side of broccolini. I got the salmon, Matt got the short rib. My dad got the gnocchi. It was all delicious. And then we were hanging by the fire. I'm gonna take you guys to see the fire pits in just a second here. But I'm just hanging on the bed, have my planner out, was doing some planning of just like calls and stuff for business, because even on my day off and on the weekends, I'm always working, which I'm not complaining about. I'm literally doing it because I want to, because I'm like, you know what, it'll feel good to get some things done, because I'm not planning on doing that much tomorrow. I have a super busy day on Thursday, crazy busy day on Thursday, but it's nice. It's Sunday evening and it's nice to know that I have tomorrow off. We're gonna have some time at the spa, which is just gonna be freaking glorious. I'm so excited. And I've been sitting here with my iPad. Oh, it's so nice. I'm obsessed. I'm so happy that I invested in getting this, because it has been so nice, and I'm glad that I didn't bring my laptop with me, because my instinct would have been to like just use my laptop right now, and it's good to be getting used to the iPad and just like playing around with it and stuff. I got a totally decked out iPad, so I didn't just get the iPad. I got it with the keyboard, with the Apple Pencil, the whole 9 yards. So I've got the iPad here, got the boys on the other bed, and I'm gonna go out in a second and show you guys the fire pits, and then we're gonna go to bed. How freaking nice is it out here? I am literally obsessed with the fire pits. And then what I will also show you, we happen to have a room that is like has its own little private like balcony thing. It's so nice. It is Monday morning at the lake house. It's like 9 a.m. We slept in until about 8:30. Took Gouda for a walk. Got dressed for breakfast. How'd you sleep?
Slept pretty well.
Me too. We both slept well. We're gonna see how my dad slept, get some breakfast with him. Hold on, the camera lenses. We're going ahead for breakfast with Leon. Ooh, okay. We're heading to the same place to meet my dad for breakfast that we went last night for dinner, the Rose Tavern. I just realized I forgot my gluten-free bagels in the room, but oh, perfect timing. There he is. How'd you sleep?
I slept well.
It's like 1 p.m. We had breakfast, we went outside for a little bit, and then we just got a little bit of work done. I was just looking at some client emails and stuff like that, getting some things paid, reading my dad's new play that he's been working on, which is really nice. It's really funny and very witty, so that was really fun to get to read. And it's gonna be spa time before we know it, and then it's gonna be dinner time before we know it, which is actually freaking crazy. Like I just always forget how quickly a 2-night hotel stay goes by, because
you check in late
on like the first day and you just like kind of have the evening, and then you have one full day, and then you leave the next morning. So I just always think that things are gonna feel longer than they really do. So it's just all to say that the day is going by really quickly. Probably also bring you along to the spa, because the spa is just so beautiful, so nice. I'm so excited. I have a massage, and then Matt and I have a sauna treatment together, which I'm really, really excited for. So that's gonna be our kind of afternoon. And my dad also has my massage and a pedicure booked. So it's gonna be really nice. And then we're gonna get dinner. I think we're gonna go out, or we're gonna get takeout from this Mexican place that I'm obsessed with. It's so good. So yeah, and Goody's just being the best. He's being such a good dog. Just, oh, I'm very, very proud of him. And people keep walking by us and they see him and they're like, oh, he's so cute. So he's been doing a good job just chilling and hanging. And yeah, it's just so nice to be here. I am back in the room. Oh my God, my face is so red because I just had, wait, I need to turn this TV down. Matt left the TV on for Goody. Matt is at the spa right now getting his massage. I had my massage first, and then we did a sauna together. It was so nice. That's why my face is so red, because the sauna, oh, it was incredible. My hair is wet because as part of the sauna, you like go in the sauna, then you step out, do a little cold shower, go back in. It was so nice and so relaxing. I'm so grateful for my dad for treating Matt and I to this stay, to the sauna. It's so nice in this room. I mean, the room is huge. The spa was incredible. I feel so relaxed, so calm. I'm gonna take a little shower now and then take Gouda out while Matt is getting his massage, because then when he gets back, he's gonna wanna shower. And then I think we're all gonna go out for dinner to this Mexican restaurant called Rio Tomatlan. I'm obsessed with it. It's so freaking good. So that's the plan. We are walking to meet my dad. He's sitting somewhere by the water, and then we're gonna go out for dinner. The sun is so beautiful right now. It's like golden hour-y. Oh, look at it. Ah, it's so nice here. I'm so happy that I'm coming back at the end of this month. Well, actually no, the end of next month. It's the last day of September. Last day of September. So crazy. Oh, right there. I just realized we didn't film anything since after dinner. I've like hardly had my dad in this vlog too, so I need to like find a way to add him into the vlog at some point tomorrow. But I haven't wanted to put him on the spot. I've just wanted to enjoy the time with him.
He went.
But it is 8:50. Oh, just a baby. Baby. But we had dinner. It was so good.
You gotta go back.
It was so good.
There's a lot on that menu.
Yeah, it's a really, really good menu. What did...
Genuine, I just felt like genuinely good homemade recipes.
Yes.
Like they didn't feel like a very standardized, like their queso fundido, I was unlike anything I've seen.
Yes.
Like it wasn't like a dip. It
Yep.
was prepared
It was
on
like in
fresh corn
tacos.
tortillas.
Yeah, my dad got the queso fundido. We got a guacamole that was like kind of extra
Also different.
spicy. Yes, also
wasn't a bowl
different.
of-
Really, really good.
Of guac.
Really, really good.
I got a huarache,
Hirache.
which was delicious, like maize soft dough, and then vegetables on top of it. I mean, it just felt very fresh and very like, oh, this felt like Mexican cooking, not like Tex-Mex. Chugging the water. Oh, it's on me. Hey vlog. Looking down.
I wanted you
I'm a
you
bad
guys
vlogger.
to get to hear Matt
Rate
and
my
not have to
vlogging
watch.
skills.
Not have to watch me chug this water. I'm so thirsty. I've not had enough water
I
today.
hope someone can give me recommendations on how to be a better vlogger. I'm dead serious though.
So Matt told you what he got. I got something called I think it was called the Maiz quesadilla, and it is a
Corn.
shell with some kind of a cheese in the middle. I got it with no meat, so it's literally just a cheese quesadilla, and it comes as 3 quesadillas. Also, wait, you guys, to interrupt myself, showed my nails. Hold on. These are the nails. One of the funniest parts of the weekend. Okay, it's not focusing on my nails, but you get it. It's a French manicure. There you go. With maroon tips. I literally showed my dad. I'm like, what do you think of my nails? He's like, your hands look like they're bleeding. I was like, cool, Dad. Thanks. I literally spent good money to get these done. Honestly, it was hilarious. So now every time I look at my manicure, I hear in my dad's voice, it looks like your fingers are bleeding, and I just crack up.
So anyway,
I got the quesadilla, corn shells with cheese, and the thing that makes them extra good and like different
is that
they put an Oaxacan cheese on the outside of the quesadilla, so it gets like crisped up. So it's like one side of the quesadilla is extra crispy because it has crispy Oaxacan cheese that like was like fried onto it. Oh my god, it's so good. They're so freaking good. So I'm so glad we went, because that is literally my favorite Mexican restaurant in the world. I love that place so much. I'm so excited to know that I'm coming back to the lake house at the end of October, because I will be going there at least 1 of my 3 nights, very likely 2 of my 3 nights that I stay here. And yeah, Matt's just been saying, like, every single time we like come back to the room or like walk to a different part of the hotel, Matt's like, this place is so nice. Like, it really is. The lake house is just really, really nice. We ate at the Rose Tavern for dinner last night, and we had breakfast there today, and both times it was really good food, and they're just very accommodating from a like gluten-free celiac standpoint. I feel super safe eating here, which means a lot. Also felt super safe eating at that Mexican restaurant. So 10 out of 10. And yeah, we're gonna hang. I'll probably take this goober for one final walk, and I'm actually gonna crumble up a little cookie into his breakfast because he's hardly eaten anything. And that's gonna be the rest of the night. Might bring you guys a little along later tonight, or might finish this out tomorrow. So you'll have to wait and see. We are home, and it is Wednesday, and I just realized I literally never finished this vlog. I never ended up taking the camera back out, recording more with my dad, because I just wanted to be present with him. We had a really, really nice talk yesterday. I really needed my dad's advice on just like a lot of stuff that I'm dealing with personally and my own development, stuff with business as I'm growing my business, the whole car saga, getting a new car, everything. I just really needed to talk with him and get his advice on things. And so it was just so great to get that quality time with him. I'm so grateful that he came to visit. I'm so grateful that he was so generous to treat Matt and I to the stay. And yeah, it was just the best. So if you guys enjoyed this fun little 2 nights at the lake house in Canandaigua, hit the thumbs up and be sure to hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. The car is literally dinging because it wants us to put a seatbelt on Gouda.